Want to give your child a fun and interactive start to reading? Meet My First Phonics Soundbook. With 50 interactive buttons, kids can hear letter sounds and listen to 3 words for each sound.
Kennel, koala, kite.
What's more, each page folds out into a big colorful spread and has a fun activity to check their understanding.
King, song, ring.
This amazing book introduces beginning sounds, 2-letter blends, vowel sounds, and even 3-letter words. Make phonics easy, engaging, and hands-on. Grab yours today. Shop now at bookiewookie.in.